Good morning, class.
Nice one.
Good morning, class. Please stand and let us pray. Okay. Student already finished the prayer. Finish. Okay, tapos na lahat. Kindly arrange your chair properly and pick up all the pieces of paper under the chair and monitor. Please check the attendance. Before we proceed to our next lesson, what you have learned from the previous topic. Okay? Give me an example. Bartolome. Please stand. Uh-huh. Take your seat. Another one. Cordapia. Please stand. Very good. It's all about baking. So before we proceed, I prepared an jumbled letters in connected to our next lesson. Do you understand? The first jumbled letters, and you can correct it to the form correct form of words. Okay. Tapos na na.
Sir, what you
Lesson
have discussing
flapper.
is already discussed with the teacher last week.
Okay, but this is an recap, short review because you have an exam on 28th. Okay, sir. So our topic for today is all about decorate and present the products. It is glaze. Please read. Hoy, ika, nag-cellphone ka. Please is done. Press read. Glaze. What is glaze? Glaze is applying foods. Food. Ano ito? Apply to foods, especially